Hello, everyone. We had a request to scan our source code to find all the properties that have a certain attribute. So the idea here is like, let's say that we want to know all the properties that are non-persistent, or a lot of time we add attributes to add some functionality, or let's say to expose to an API, or let's say to do uh, any behavior that we need. So the idea here is like we need to be able to find all the properties that has certain attribute applied. So the idea here, and let's actually here is like we're gonna have a console project that we're gonna enter the path. Of course, this could be a XAF app as we always do that have a open file dialog and you select the path. And from there, it will scan the directory, get all the CS files and try to find the attribute and write in a text file what is the class, what is the property, and the attribute that we are trying to find. So as a test, we're putting visible in detail view. So let's go to another project and we have visible in detail view here. So let's add a couple more. So now let's open the solution so we can get the path. And let's go and run our application. So right here, let's add the path and really fast scan the solution and created a attribute scan result txt. If we go now to that other solution and we open our txt, you will see that here there is saying the class product, the property, Boolean contact office, it has this attribute applied and give you a complete list. So regarding the implementation, it's as simple as use a string writer and get all the files that have the extension CS, and then with that, go and find the property with the attributes, read all lines, and so on, so on. So regular code here. But I think that is really useful, and it opens the door for starting to do a lot of our internal tools where we scan our code and find certain type of property or certain type of performance issues that we benchmark and so on. So the idea here is let's review our code in an automatic way, find results, and provide a small report about it. What do you think, Ocho?
Okay, to be honest, I think it's good for really big code bases. Sometimes we have these solutions that have like 100 projects, so it's impossible to search with the studio. It becomes just too slow. So you need to do it with the file system. So I think this is the way to go. Actually, if you want to be faster in that sense.
All right, guys, that will be all for this video. See you in the next one.